Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel Read with Rizwan. I'm back again with a new video. In this video, we shall be discussing about materials, metals and non-metals. So let's get started. What is a metal? A metal is a material that is typically hard, shiny and has good electrical and thermal conductivity. You are familiar with a number of materials like iron, aluminium, copper, etc. Metals can be distinguished from non-metals on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Physical properties of metals and non-metals. Have you ever seen a blacksmith beating an iron piece or an article made up of iron like a spade, a shovel, an axe? Do you find a change in the shape of these articles on beating? The property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. This is a characteristic property of metals. As you must have noticed, materials like coal and pencil lead do not show this property. Can we call these metals? Can you hold a hot metallic pan which is without a plastic or a wooden handle and not get hurt? Perhaps not. Why? Try to list some other experience in which a wooden or plastic handle protects you from being hurt while handling hot things. On the basis of the experience, what can you say about the conduction of heat by wood and plastic? You must have seen an electrician using his screwdriver. What kind of a handle does it have? Answer is simple. Wood is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Moving on, where do you find the use of aluminium and copper wires? Have you seen wires of coal? Definitely not. The property of metals by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. Have you ever noticed the difference in sound of dropping an iron sheet, plate, a metal coin and a piece of coal on the floor? If not, you can try at your homes. The things made of metals produce a ringing sound when struck hard. Suppose you have two boxes similar in appearance, one made of wood and other of metal. Can you tell which box is made of metal by striking both the boxes? Since metal produce ringing sounds, they are said to be sonorous. The materials other than metals are not sonorous. Metals are hard, lustrous, malleable, ductile, sonorous and good conductors of heat and electricity. The materials which generally possess these properties are called metals. The examples of metals are iron, copper, aluminium, calcium and magnesium, etc. In contrast, materials like coal and sulfur are soft and dull in appearance. They break down in the powdery mass on tapping with a hammer. They are not sonorous and are poor conductors of heat and electricity. These materials are called non-metals. The examples of non-metals are sulfur, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. Metals like sodium and potassium are soft and can be cut with a knife. Mercury is the only metal which is found in liquid state at a room temperature. This shall be continued in the next video. In case if you have a doubts, write it down in the comment box. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.